Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be reading a story called Plunk, Plunk. And this story is from Lesson 17, and you can find it in your decodable reader. We are going to go over some of the spelling patterns that we are focusing on in this story, as well as some of the sight words. You will see a lot of words that have the long E spelling patterns. So far we've learned about the vowel teams EE and EA, the magical E consonant E spelling pattern, and our open syllable E. This story is also going to add two short vowel markers, NG and NK. Here's our magical E spelling pattern poster that you see in our classroom. Circled in red is the E consonant E that says E like in Pete. Here is our spelling pattern. E consonant E, and when you see the vowel consonant E in that pattern, it says E. Say that rhyme with me to help us remember what the job of the magical E is. Remember me, the magical E, I tell the vowel to say its alphabet name. This is our vowel teams poster that you see in the first grade classrooms. EE says E like in green trees. There's the word tree. EA says E like in the word wheat. That bread right there is brown bread, and we call that wheat bread. Now we have a rule for vowel teams. When two vowels are right next to each other in a word, they're holding hands. And we say, when two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking and says its alphabet name. So you don't hear that second vowel, you only hear the first vowel. And these two spelling patterns say E and E. Another long E spelling pattern is that open syllable spelling pattern. This is our closed syllable and open syllable poster in the classroom. Down at the bottom, you can see the plain old E here. That plain old E says E, and that's the long sound. When a vowel is at the end of the syllable part, it makes the long sound. So look down here like in Eli. The first part of Eli says E. Let's clap Eli. Eli. And right there, that first E says the long sound E, and it's an open syllable because the door's open and it gets to sing its alphabet name. Here you see our phonics wall poster for the short vowel markers. So far this year, we've learned that short vowel markers yell, "There's a short vowel in front of me!" And these spelling patterns only happen at the end of a word. NG is kind of a blended sound. You don't say ng, you just say and it's a sound that's made in your throat. Our clue word is the word song. You can find that right here. And you can see a bird singing a song. Now on the bottom, I see NK, and NK says unk. It's hard to say that sound all by itself. So we have to think about the vowel that comes in front of it, and then we can say the word family chunk. This word is the word skunk. And you can see a picture of a stinky skunk. Now the word stinky also has an NK, short vowel marker. Stinky skunk is our clue word. In this story, there are two of our brand new sight words from Lesson 17. These are the words that you need to know how to be able to read all by yourself. Both of them are words that break the rules. One of them is going to be one of our outlaw spelling words. The first word we have is S-U-R-E, and it's the word sure, like you're answering, "Sure, I'd really like a donut." Sometimes people say sure instead of sure. It's the same word. It just depends upon how someone pronounces it. T-H-E-R-E is the word there. That's our outlaw word there. And this silly little E in the middle is the rule breaker E. It sounds like a long A sound, but it's not. We say there, and it's spelled with an E. Now let's practice some open syllable words. Plain old E. Let's say our two sounds. W, E, we. Here's another word with an open syllable E. Plain old E at the end says E. E, he. He is a name for a boy. I see an open syllable E at the end. This word is me. You use this word when you're talking about yourself. This word has the vowel team EE in the middle. You also see the digraph ch at the beginning. Let's blend the sounds together. Cheek, cheek. Your cheek is the skin on your face, on the sides of your lip. Grr, een, green. Here we have a double E at the end. E. The beginning sound is D. Put it together and it says D. Now this is not a real word when it's really by itself, but you might see this word like when you say twiddle-dee-dee, twiddle-dee-dum. Here we have a word that has the vowel team EE. EE says E like in green trees. E, see. Like you're going to see with your eyes. This word has a double E at the end. We know that says E. At the beginning, I see the blend tur, tur-e, tree. That's our clue word for that double E spelling pattern. Here, I see an EA in the middle, and I know that says E. At the beginning, I see a capital J, so I know the beginning sound is J. And I bet this is a person's name because it starts with a capital. Jean, Jean. I see the vowel team EA in the middle. It says E. Let's say the sounds from left to right. Lead, lead. Now you are going to lead someone if you are in front of them or if you are telling them where to go. Lead is the base word of leader. Here I see an ending and I see an S at the end. If you take off the S, there's that word we just got done reading, lead. Put an S back on and it becomes leads. A leader leads you down the hallway.